नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मेरा नाम सौरभ कुमार है और मैं आप लोग को यहाँ पर एडुटेरिया का करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ा जो कि आपका एक करंट अफेयर्स ईयरली मैगजीन 2022 का ये ठीक है। और इसमें आपका नवंबर 2021 से लेकर नवंबर 2022 तक का इसमें मिलेगा करंट अफेयर्स। तो आज हम आपका मई 2022 का पढ़ेंगे वर्ल्ड लाइनर, जो कि आपका मेजर इवेंट्स मेजर नेशनल इवेंट्स का आपका करंट अफेयर, जो आपके राष्ट्रीय जो भी आपका महत्वपूर्ण जो भी आपका हुआ है उसके बारे में यहाँ पर दिया गया मई 2022 का। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा मई 2022 का ठीक है। तो रिसेंटली द महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट हैज अप्रूव्ड द फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड जीन बैंक प्रोजेक्ट अंडर दिस द जेनेटिक रिसोर्सेज ऑफ वेरियस ऑर्गेनिज्म एनिमल्स सीड्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स etc will be conserved. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has inaugurated the country's first ethanol plant in Purnia district. It has been established by Eastern India Biofuel Private Limited that cost around 105 crore. Operation Vigilant. The Operation Vigilant was carried out by the Railway Protection Force from the 5th April to 30th April. The purpose was to stop illegal smuggling through railways. Cochin Shipyard Limited has announced the construction of the country's first electric ship based on hydrogen fuel. Odisha will set up India's first tribal health observatory to ensure equality in health of tribals. This observatory will continuously monitor the health service delivery system of the tribals in the state. The Uttar Pradesh government has announced to provide free internet connectivity to more than 58,000 locations in the villages of the state. Haryana government has launched vehicle movement tracking system, mobile app to track vehicles carrying mining materials. India's first biogas powered electric vehicle charging station has been set up in Mumbai. Maharashtra, this can generate about 220 units of electricity from food waste. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has launched Kalam website, a literary initiative of Prabha Khaitan Foundation to support and encourage vernacular literature. The aim is to provide a platform to young and veterans to talk about their writings in India and abroad. Recently, a new virus, tomato flu, has been found in Kerala. The children below 5 years of age are being more affected by this virus. The Archaeological Survey of India had discovered a 5,000-year-old jewelry factory in Rakhigadi, Haryana. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Utkarsh Samaroh in Bharuch, Gujarat. It was organized to commemorate 100% coverage of 4 major schemes of the state, which provide financial assistance to the needy people. Indian Army is to start residential coaching to the students belonging to the economically weaker section in the Manipur for competitive examination. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated the National Cyber Forensic Laboratory to speed up the resolution of cybercrime. Recently, the Supreme Court, using Article 142, ordered the release of AG Perarivalan, convict of the assassination of Rajiv Gandhi. Next आपका West Central Railway has developed a dual mode locomotive which can run on both battery and electricity. Has been named as Navdut. It was also given the best innovation award by the railway board. ठीक है। The famous Madam Tussauds Museum for wax sculptures will be opened in Noida. The museum was first opened in Delhi in 2017, but was closed due to the COVID pandemic. The National Geographic Society has installed the world's highest weather station on Mount Everest at 8,830 meters in collaboration with Nepal's Hydrology and Meteorology and NetGeo to automatically measure various meteorological phenomena. Minister of Education. The Union Minister for Education and Skill Development, Dharmendra Pradhan, has inaugurated the Northeast Research Conclave 2022 at IIT Guwahati to promote research and development. Indian Railways collaborated with IIT Madras for the development of the first indigenally built Hyperloop system in India. The Hyperloop system is a technology based on the magnetic power of the train. This आपका the 8th International Day of Yoga was organized by the Union Ministry of Ayush on 21st June in Mysore, Karnataka. Odisha government in association with the Abhinav Bindra Foundation Trust has launched Olympic Value Education Program OVEP. Under this, Olympics value will be included in the school education. The first National Women Legislature Conference 2022 was organized by the Kerala State Legislative Assembly, inaugurated by President Ramnath Kovind. Its aim was to focus on women's rights, women's representation, gender equality, etc. Recently, Kolkata has become the major and first metropolitan city in the country to prepare a comprehensive register of biodiversity. This people's biodiversity register includes 339 399 plants and 283 animal species. The Ministry of Civil Aviation, the Ministry of Civil Aviation and Drone Federation of India has organized the India Drone Festival at 2022 at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. PM Narendra Modi has inaugurated the event and also interacted with the farmer drone pilots. The country's first lavender festival was organized in the Bhaderwa, Jammu and Kashmir. It was organized by the Union Minister Jitendra Singh. Its aim is to promote the cultivation of lavender. Adani Hybrid Energy Jaisalmer Forest Limited set up India's first hybrid solar power generation unit in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. The plant is a combination of both the solar and wind power generation. Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC) has launched a saving life insurance scheme named Bima Ratna. Its aim to provide both savings and security to the people. North India's first industrial biotech park. So North India's first industrial biotech park has been constructed in Katwa, Jammu and Kashmir. It was inaugurated by Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and Union Minister Jitendra Singh. The establishment of this park will be give a boost to research and innovation. ठीक है. Next आपका the Geological Survey of India has confirmed the presence of 228.88 billion tons of gold reserve in Jammu district of Bihar. The government of Bihar called it the largest gold reserve of India. The Rajasthan government has changed the name of Mia Kabala railway station located in Barmer district to Mahesh Nagar Hut. Next आपका है तो the Tamil Nadu government has announced to provide breakfast along with midday meal in primary schools from 1 to 5. Gati Shakti Communication Portal. The Gati Shakti Communication Portal launched by the Telecom Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw. Objective to develop the telecom infrastructure facilitating trade and commerce. The World Bank has approved the financial assistance of $350 million for Gujarat Shresth Ji project. The objective of the project is to improve the health system. Delhi Custom has launched Nigah project. The Delhi Custom has launched the Nigah project in Gurugram, Haryana, and it will be used to track the containers. Next आपका है the Nechimpu tunnel is being constructed in Himachal Pradesh by the Border Road Organization under Project Vartak. This 500-meter long tunnel is D-shaped and this is situated at an altitude of 5,700 feet. The Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has launched Swachh Sarvekshan 2023, followed by Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0. Its theme is waste to wealth for garbage-free cities. Next आपका रामगढ़ बिस्तारी वाइल्ड लाइफ. तो रामगढ़ बिस्तारी वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी राजस्थान has been notified as the 52nd wildlife sanctuary of the India. It is the 4th tiger reserve of Rajasthan. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका है the Youth Tourism Club Initiative. The Youth Tourism Club Initiative has been launched by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism. Its objective is to develop young ambassadors of Indian tourism sector and enhance the tourism potential in India. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका the country's first Amrit Sarovar has been inaugurated at Patwai, Rampur, Uttar Pradesh. This lake is important for water conservation, environmental protection, boating, etc. The country's first Amrit Sarovar has been inaugurated at Patwai, Rampur, Uttar Pradesh. This lake is important for water conservation, environmental protection, boating, etc. Recently, India Tap initiative has been launched at the Plumber in India exhibition organized by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs in New Delhi. Along with this Nirmal Jal Prayas initiative was also started. Its objective is to reduce water consumption and promote sustainable development. Next आपका recently Life Insurance Corporation of India Limited (LIC) has launched India's largest ever initial public offering IPO. Through this 3.5% stake in LIC has been sold to encourage private investment. Recently Cyclone Asani that hit the Bay of Bengal caused huge devastation in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. It was so named by Sri Lanka. This according to the report of India Solar Power Tracker, Rajasthan has become the first state to cross 10 gigawatt solar power capacity. ठीक है. This आपका recently Bangalore based Neo Bank Open has become India's 100 unicorn startup. A unicorn startup company is valued at over $1 billion. 101st Indian unicorn physics वाला. ठीक है. एक आपका रिसेंटली द Initially, the Indian Postal Department has delivered mails using a drone for the first time in Kutch, Gujarat. The Geological Survey of India has named a new species of monkey found in Arunachal Pradesh as Sela macaque after the sea Sela pass here. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the world's first nano urea plant in Gujarat. The use of nano urea will increase the crop productivity and also to increase the income of farmers. Recently, Captain Avilasa Barak has become the first woman fighter helicopter pilot in the Army Aviation Corps. Bhavna Kant, Mohan Singh and Avani Chaturvedi are the first women freedom fighter pilots. Uttarakhand has become the first state in India to use drones in the field of healthcare. Recently, a commercial drone corridor has been launched between Uttarkashi and Dehradun. Kerala will be the first state to become the state one over the top OTT platform C Plus. CSP. It will available at the home once the movies get released in theater. The Sikkim Organic Food Summit was organized by Department of Commerce and Industry and the Union Ministry of Food and Processing Industry. During this discussion were held to encourage organic food processing and investment. Recently, RailTel launched PM Vani scheme to provide free Wi-Fi services at the 100 Indian railway station. This scheme was launched by the Department of Telecommunication 2020. The first Khadi Center of Excellence has been established in New Delhi by Khadi and Village Industries Commission in collaboration with National Institute of Fashion Technology (NIP). Recently, two new judges, Sudhanshu Dhulia and Jamshed B. Pardiwala, has been appointed in the Supreme Court. Union Ministry Anurag Thakur, Union Minister Anurag Singh Thakur has launched the world biggest film restoration project under the National Film Heritage Mission. Under this, about 2,200 films will be restored. Recently, the Jammu and Kashmir Delimitation Commission has increased the number of assembly seats there from 83 to 90, out of which 43 will be from Jammu and 47 from Kashmir. Next आपका है recently Arohan 4.0 meeting has been organized by the Department of Post and Indian Post Payment Bank in Simla. Its objective was to promote digital payments and financial inclusion. A National Level Health Summit. So National Level Health Summit was organized at Statue of Unity in Kevadia, Gujarat from the 5th to 7th May, and it was presided over by the Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandviya. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका है छत्तीसगढ़ हैज बिकम द सेकंड स्टेट आफ्टर उड़ीसा टू रिकॉग्नाइज कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट राइट इन द नेशनल पार्क. इंडियाज फर्स्ट फ्लो केमिस्ट्री टेक्नोलॉजी हब हैज बीन सेट अप इन हैदराबाद. Under this, sustainable chemical process will be done. Recently, the Assam government has declared Beheli Reserve Forest as the wildlife sanctuary of the state. Next, आपका recently the inequality status in India report was released by the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister. It has the following features. So, it was divided into two parts: economic and social. Unemployment in India in 2019-2020 4.8%. Wealth concentration was 7.1% in rural area and 44.4% in urban area. Labor population ratio is 6.8%. 8 surviving personnel associated with Operation Truthi, a 1991 anti-terrorist operation Jammu and Kashmir, were honored in Shillong. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 6 May has inaugurated the Jito Connect Conference 2022, organized by the Jain International Trade Organization Jito in Pune. It aims to bring together Jain community together from all around the world. Next, आपका President Ramnath Kovind has inaugurated the program Arogya Manthan in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. It aims to provide affordable access to quality healthcare facility to the people. Recently, the Indian Oil Corporation IOC has launched M15 petrol in Assam with 15% blending of methanol with petrol. Sally app launched by Government of Kerala, objective to prevent people of the state from diseases caused due to daily lifestyle. Reliance Industries has become the first Indian company to achieve an annual revenue of $1 billion. ठीक है. तो इस प्रकार हमने पढ़ा आज का वीडियो. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आप लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.